So hello everybody and welcome to Pandemic Kitchen. The weather is getting a little warmer. It's a beautiful day, so we're drying some towel and kitchen towels and sheets outside today. If you see the green pattern, let's see right there behind me, those were my sheets from the 1970s and I still have them. And the recipe that I'm making tonight, my grandmother was making since the 1920s. So if you're looking for exciting, innovative cuisine, you're in the wrong place. Sorry. But, this is me. I'm not going to give you anything that's is not been good in my life for the past at least 20 years. And I'm really excited. This is a wonderful soup, a wonderful minestra, and I'm gonna give away the broth family secret. So I hope you stay tuned and then you'll make it for yourself. Okay, see you later. See you in the kitchen. So I have soaked my garbanzo beans overnight, and now we're gonna cook them in the pressure cooker, which won't take much, about 45 minutes. And I'm gonna give you all the ingredients for the broth. The recipe is really all about balancing the flavors. So the broth is made with a lot of bay leaf, at least 3 leaves of bay leaf, and that's the bitter. Garlic, it's his own demon. We're gonna put it in. Then we have the carrots and the onion that are sweet, and the garbanzo are sweet. But then when we put the pasta in, we'll add some kale that is bitter. And the combination of all of this will make a really well balanced dish. And as our pressure cooker starts hissing, we're going to reduce the heat. And from this moment on, we're going to go about 40 minutes. Okay, we're just going to add some frozen kale now and boil for another 20 minutes or so. And one important thing to remember about kale, if you don't like it, is because somebody presented it to you like superfood. And kale is not superfood. Kale is a cruciferous vegetable that is very good when it's boiled for a long time. So if they gave it to you raw with lemon, give it another try after you cook it a lot, and you might really like it. Making an egg noodle, it can be a really easy thing. So we're gonna this is a medium egg, so 2/3 of a cup of flour for a medium egg, 1 cup of flour usually for a large egg, and you can always add more flour. We're gonna put our egg in. We're gonna mix it. And when your dough doesn't stick to your hands anymore, but is not too dry, that it breaks apart. So again, seems simple, but the feeling of Play-Doh, you got it. you got your pasta dough ready. At this point, always keep some flour next to you. It's the best way to clean your finger. And you understand that this is so simple that you can have all your kids, all the kids in your household just doing this. Now the slightly harder way to do it, but can be done. We are going to roll it. Okay, if it starts to get attached like this, just add a little bit of flour and everything is going to be okay. We got it. And now we just chop it up. And these are your noodles. And here are our noodles, ready to go. Okay, so our soup is ready now. And all you have to do is drip a little olive oil on it. And if you must, you can add a little grated pecorino romano. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep cooking, and choose a knife. I'll see you soon.